Hello, and welcome to the Daily Job Digest with the Travel Weekly Brands. Today, we are looking at a quality control specialist or data entry position at a company called Healthmark Group. So Healthmark Group is a leader in health information management and technology, focusing on serving the health information management needs of physician practices and hospitals throughout the nation, that is the US. Healthmark Group is growing and looking for bright, energetic, and motivated candidates to join the team. This is an entry-level position and an exciting opportunity for someone looking to start their career with a fast-growing company. Our data entry role involves entering data from various sources into the company computer systems for processing and management. And a candidate working in data entry will need to efficiently manage a large amount of information that is often sensitive or confidential. The location, you can work remotely around the world. So they tell you more about what the duties will include, like preparing and sorting documents for data entry, entering data into database software, resolving discrepancies, reporting directly to quality control, data entry management, completing data entry of all requests and so forth. And for you to succeed in this job, you need to basically have computer literacy and familiarity with various computer programs like Microsoft Office, attention to detail, knowledge of grammar and punctuation, and ability to work within time constraints. When applying, it would be greatly appreciated if you will complete the assessment screening process. This helps us to set candidates apart and make more informed decisions. So it's really important for you to complete the screening process that they have. And it's a full-time position that pays between $14 to $16 per hour. So with no further ado, move on to the application section and include your first name, last name, email address, phone number, your address, upload your resume, and answer the different questions, and basically submit your application, and you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I know a lot of you guys are looking for data entry positions, so that would be a great one to go for and give it a shot. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.